Hi, I'm Casey Vos, and this is my final reflection for MIT 812. As far as the course objectives goes, I use different previous tools I knew compared to new tools that I learned throughout the class to compare multimedia applications and present the different subjects. And the Creative Commons, it helped me evaluate the basic design and the development of principles and how to stay safe and legal with ethical issues for my students and for use of technology in the classroom. As far as video concepts, I went with new ones this time, and I learned about Adobe Spark through a fellow classmate, and I actually really enjoyed using Adobe Spark, and it became one that I think I will use in the future in my class. As far as audio concepts, I'm using Screen-O-Matic right now. I've used it in other classes, and it's very user-friendly and easy. Digital imaging, I use Pixlr and Google Draw, which were both new to me. I'm excited to implement Google Draw for sure in the classroom with my students. Pixlr was easy to use, but I haven't really had students edit images very often in my class, but maybe something new we'll try. As far as examining computer and handheld hardware, it was just all the different universal sites I used throughout the course. My final project is categorizing different multimedia applications and how to use it for a unit of study. Then the TPACK model definitely kept me on topic, making sure my instruction, my assessments were what I needed for my students and to help with the diversity of them as well. In my school, we use the PLC model to collaborate with our other professional teachers in our building. I actually had the privilege this summer, a couple weeks ago, of going to St. Louis and attending the big PLC conference. Got to listen to many great, wonderful presenters and hear lots on that as well. So I'm excited to take more information back to my team on the PLC process. The ITSE standards and the educational standards were implemented in every one of my various assignments throughout the course and the different discussions I did. I try to use a different standard each time to help me the different diversities of them. The TPACK model is focusing on that technology, the content, and the pedagogy. I'm not as familiar with the TPACK model as the ITSE standards. I've used those a lot more, but I did enjoy getting to familiarize myself with them more and making sure my assignment and final project met the different components, and so that my students will be able to learn as much as possible from it as well. My big idea or takeaway from this course definitely is just trying new ideas. Look for something new, and my favorite by far was Adobe Spark. I really enjoyed my video that I created on it, and it was simple enough that my students will be able to use it, and I can't wait to see the different videos that they create using Adobe Spark this semester. I like to find lots of ways that they can take their learning to the next level and produce things for me versus doing a worksheet, fill in the blank work like that. I feel like it definitely shows me what they know and if they've met the standards a lot more. Thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great day.